Hello, welcome to another episode of A Ken Fashion Journey. Today, I'm talking about the Americana style. So, what happened is that today's outfit, I would like to actually talk about this pair of Timberland jeans and how I have lived in it and the evolution of this Timberland jeans became a Malaysian-made Timberland jeans X Levi Strauss. So let's begin our story, and foremost let's introduce this outfit from the top to the bottom. What I have over here is that the shirt is by Timberland, and that is from year 2008 spring summer collection, whereby it is in a very lightweight poplin and is printed on it. And I like to match it with this outfit because it gives me a very Southwestern Arizona, the Tex-Mex type of look. And I have this lovely bandana whereby it is a Malaysian batik, and I have tied up in the form of a tie to give it that dressy look. And I have a very nice waistcoat over here. This one is from Levi Strauss and it is from line 8. Line 8 from Levi Strauss means that it is the dress line, and or more like we can say it's a tailored line whereby it's more dressy. So I have it to match it with this outfit. And then I have this very lovely belt whereby it is a belt from Levi Strauss. It is from the inspiration again from a Tex-Mex, a very Americana feel, whereby that was a season they say Texas meet Tokyo, which is really exciting, and it got the rugged feel. You can really feel the American Southwest. And let's talk about this pair of jeans and how it evolved. This particular pair of jeans actually was the first pair of organic jeans whereby it's 100% made of organic cotton, whereby it is launched by Timberland in year 2008. And you can see originally it all started off with Corozzo button fly, but over time it has the Corozzo button has already eluded, and then I have to switch it with some Levi's button for the button fly. And then over time, as you know, organic cotton it is not as durable as the regular cotton. So you can see I have already stitched it up. It has really worn out, and I have already repatched and recraft it over here. You can see, and also the jeans has been very worn out. I have actually done a round of bleaching on it. You can see all the patches around. You can see all the white patches around this pair of jeans because I actually soak it in a Clorox for a couple of days. Then it will give me this patchy look, and it is interesting. And what happened is that as over time, I met a Levi's craftsmaster by the name of Mike from Johor Bahru. What he did is that when I showed him this pair of lovely Timberland jeans, so what he did is that, okay, they say, let me pass it to him and he will do some recrafting for me, and it will become a Timberland X Levi's jeans, which is very special. So what he did is that he did the overstitching over here across all the belt loops. And the most interesting thing which he did is that he hand stitched the Levi's arcuate at the ankle, and to give it that overstitch here to give it the rugged feel to complement the arcuate, and then also he put on a Levi's button. So it is really very exciting, and at the same time when you look at it, it is a very mysterious, and if you don't really look at it, you are not really a denim head, you won't really notice this detailing, but it is fantastic. So what Craftmaster did, Mike, he's so creative because this jeans has really been worn over time and it is already really fraying and wearing out. So he reinforced it with his own top stitch across airy part, he reinforced the jeans. You can look at the belt loops, with all the top stitching across. And as you can see, you look at the Timberland jeans, is very nice. It got all the Timberland DNA on it. Foremost is that it got the 4 stitching. The 4 top stitch over here is the Timberland trademark and their brand DNA, because you will notice it across all their denim and also all their Timberland boots. It is also very evident over here on the back patch over here. You can also see it got the 4 stitching over here. Then this is the Timberland DNA on it. So what I have is that today I pair this outfit with Timberland attire and also with Levi's. So in a way, this pair of lovely jeans, it will begin to give me more life and feel over time as I continue to live in it. And that's how this pair of the life of this Timberland pair of Earthkeeper jeans, which is made of 100% cotton, it evolved, became a Timberland X Levi's style jeans. With this outfit, I always like to use it with this particular sling bag, which is a 100% pure calf leather, handmade in Italy from Timberland. This is really lovely. Of course, you wear it with the Timberland Boot Company boots. And this will be my go-to market outfit for this week, as we can see that spring is coming as in the air. And I hope that you enjoy this episode, and I look forward to see you more in Ken Fashion Journey, whereby I will be talking about Ivy style, denim style, and also Americana style, and you will be able to see more of the type of special jeans whereby I have made it in collaboration over here in Malaysia. And should you like my channel, I hope that you will press the subscribe button and also give me a like. I appreciate very much, and I look forward to see you in the next episode of Ken Fashion Journey. Bye!